Welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. Now, before we start our tech show, we got to do something very, very important. You know, we got to tell a joke. How does a squid go into battle? You don't know? Well armed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now things are really heating up like nearly summer. It's getting hot in here. Now, in a few weeks, we're going to be seeing Samsung's annual Unpacked event, and things are getting crazier. It looks like Samsung is going all out for 2020, like straight up. Now, for starters, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 or the Galaxy Z Fold 2 for short is official. The new name, that is. Now, over here at Dancing with Tech, we love the old school name. We love the Galaxy Fold 2, but sometimes change isn't easy and we gotta adapt to the new name. But the show must go on. Of course, this is no surprise because as we reported earlier, this is likely going to be the new name change with the Z Fold 2. Samsung has implemented the punch on the camera for more of a modern look, and that's the current updated look that looks really nice and slick. Now, if you look for the cameras to be the same, and the Note 20 is expected to have a 12 megapixel camera, 60x zoom system, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and more. As you guys know, there will be all kinds of problems with the 100x zoom on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, to keep it from having these same issues at this time, Samsung has scaled back to 60x zoom. Again, there's not too many 8K TVs or monitor owners, but the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will offer 8K recording. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is pretty much a tablet with a display size coming at 7.7 inches. That's crazy. The display will also have a 120 Hz refresh rate. Speaker grill on the top and bottom. With the Z Fold 2 is not open to a full display, the outside display will be 6.3 inches, which is amazing compared to its predecessor. No Exynos issue with the Z Fold 2. It will use a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. Sounds like nothing but the best of all time. Not to mention, there's no IP rating, of course. Maybe in its third generation, maybe the IP rating, but we'll find out. As I remember, we have the new Galaxy earbuds live coming to the Unpacked as well. Some are calling them the Galaxy Beam Buds, like the Jack and the Beanstalk, right? Because they have a shape like a bean. Now, the Note 20 series, of course, and a new player in town. This new player I'm talking about is an upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. This is especially exciting because of how good the Galaxy Watch was, or should I say it still is. You guys know from watching my videos that I still rock with a Galaxy Watch. And my bro Justin, who made a few special appearances on my channel, he rocks the Galaxy Watch too. We both still love it and we still use it on a daily basis. That says a lot with this watch almost being 2 years old. I can't wait to see what Samsung brings to the table with a third generation. Alright guys, that's the end for all that tech news. But don't forget to subscribe, hit over here. If you want to watch more videos, click over here and we'll catch you next time.